Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to change Netflix password in the Netflix app. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to the Netflix app and wait for the app to open. And after that, go and click on My Netflix on the bottom right of the screen. After that, click on the three lines on the top right of the screen. Choose the third option, Account, and wait for it to open. And after that, go to Security and choose the first option, Password. And as you can see now, it will give you the option to change your password. You have to enter the current password of the account, and after that, enter the new password 2 times and choose if you want to sign out of all devices that already connected to your account or not. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.